Hello and welcome to our tutorial on setting default values for input properties in Angular components. Let's kick things off by importing the necessary decorators from Angular's core package. Here we have component and input. Next, we define the component decorator where we specify the component selector appchild. This is what allows us to use this component within a parent component's template. The template for this component simply renders a paragraph element displaying the myInputValue property. Now we define the child component class. Inside this class, we create a member with the input decorator. This is crucial because it tells Angular that myInputValue property can be passed down from a parent component. We're setting myInputValue to have a default value of default value. So if the parent doesn't supply a value, Angular will use this default value instead. This is a simple yet powerful feature for component reusability and avoiding undefined values. To summarize, the component's input property myInputValue is initialized with a default value directly within our child component class. If a value is passed from the parent, it will override this default. If not, the child component knows to fall back to default value. And that's all there is to setting default values for input properties in Angular. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.